What are the biggest levers for decarbonization? For us, the biggest lever for driving decarbonization forward is procurement, as the majority of our emissions come from the aluminum we purchase. That is why we source green primary material from Iceland for our foundries, which has a particularly low carbon footprint of only 4 tons of CO2 per ton of aluminum, thanks to the use of green electricity in the smelter. In addition, we rely on a high recycling rate to keep the CO2 emissions of our billets low. We also pursue a consistent green electricity strategy. We exclusively use green electricity at our sites in Ranshofen, Soest, Santana, Križ, Glockau and Gesthaach. In addition, we have invested heavily in the expansion of our own photovoltaic systems in recent years. In 2024, our photovoltaic systems in Santana and Križ with a capacity of 5.5 and 5.1 megawatt peak were installed. These provide 25% and 27% of our electricity requirements respectively. In Ranshofen, we expanded the existing photovoltaic system by 1.3 megawatt peak. Additionally, we also have our own photovoltaic installation at our Soest site. Last but not least, our company fleet now consists of 40% electric or hybrid cars. In our operational processes, we have invested in even more efficient presses in recent years and are also continuously optimizing our processes and closing loops. For example, we recycle 80% of our cooling water in the foundries, have installed heat recovery systems, and now also collect aluminum chips from the machining process, separate them from the adhering emulsion, press them, and remelt them. We also reuse the emulsion, saving up to 400 liters of emulsion per day.